Hello guys, so welcome back. I know it's been a while. It's partly due to some things happening and I had to focus on that. For now, I'm only able to do 30-minute sessions for the time being, but progress is still progress, so yeah, so let's get right into it. I kind of forgot where we were at. I do remember we were dealing with animations. We created this animation, right? And I think I still kind of remember how the animation plays. So this is the controller, animation controller. Or is it the animation itself? I forget. So we go to animations. We have, oh yeah, I think I also created the laser jump animation. So let me just play it. He should be popping up and then walking. Right. And I guess the issue was, if I remember correctly, is that it doesn't seem um, like a nice transition between the animations. Like it jumps off here, but then goes back to this position. I'm gonna see how he does it because I'm not entirely sure, especially since it's been like roughly 5 days since I've touched Unity, and so yeah. All right, so I created this controller, and I guess this is the controller right here, and these are the animations. I didn't exactly know how to, you know, like connect. Or that's how you make a transition. But how do you like delete a transition? I'm clicking on the delete button, nothing's happening. So yeah, I don't know how to properly like remove these transitions. Oh, we can just delete it. What? But then this one we can't delete, and it's also a different color, so it makes me believe that this has to be like a permanent thing. It has to connect to an animation immediately. Well, like what happens if I want to change this, you know, and then start somewhere else? I would have to delete the whole thing. That doesn't seem uh, this doesn't seem too optimized if that's the case. But nonetheless, let's just continue with our lesson here. And oh yeah, I also got my second monitor, so I can now show pretty much everything without having to keep clicking on the visibilities for certain programs, which is a lot less work for me, for that's for sure. All right, so yeah, let's go ahead and continue. I might actually redo this challenge just so I could kind of remember everything. Alright, so right. Sorry, I'm thinking. So first of all, we needed to get the sprite sheet, which we did. Whoa, did we put everything here? Anyways, we have this lizard jump, right? And we kind of already did this, but if, like, for example, we wanted to do it ourselves, we go to Sprite Editor, And then notice that the values here are adjusted to match to what he said about dividing the total width, which is 753. Divide that by 3, and then 1674, and divide that by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 spaces, and then we get this essentially. And this is you want to slice by cell size, and we already did that, but I guess I'm just reviewing since I kind of forgot. Alright then, let's just continue then. So create a new animation and preview it. So to create the new animation, we got the all these sprites together. So what we need to do would just be go here, go down here, and then you just right click and you create an animation, and then this would just be a lizard jump, and then you just put it here. I know there's another one there. Oh, is it because it has the same name already? Oh wow. How does it know that's the case? Oh wait, no, I don't think I don't think that should be it. Are you kidding me? Really? It's because it has the same name. Ah. How does it know? I know the files are not that, or there's not a lot of files, but dang, you can already calculate that there's already a file that exists with the same name. Anyways, once you create the animation, we just drag and drop it to our controller field. Trying to delete this, I'm failing so many times. So yeah, we have our lizard controller, and basically we can control the animation of our lizard here, which is connected to the lizard controller because of this animator component that we've added 5 days ago. And in our controller we were given basically we can kind of, I guess these do resemble nodes, and then they just connect to one node to the next. In our case, it when we hit play, the first thing to do on entry is for it to play the lizard jump animation. Then once this lizard jump animation ends, it goes to the lizard walk animation. And I do believe we do see kind of like a progress bar here, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so now it's on loop because we made it loop. If we click on lizard walk, the over here, lizard walk, we set a loop as opposed to the lizard jump, which doesn't loop. I want to see how it looks like when it loops, just for fun. What? Wait, what? Is it because it's connected that it doesn't loop? I'm going to delete this for the time being, just to validate that idea. Yeah, alright, so it's because it's connected to this next animation here. Looping is not possible unless if I make a transition back, then I think it's possible. Right, alright. So I guess you need this type of design to make sure to loop both animations. If you have an idle animation, I guess, and then you can also have like a walking animation, so that way the idle animation does loop, because we don't want, like, alright, so if how I'm seeing this is that if we have a character and then, you know, he's just walking but then he stops, or the character is initialized to be idle, right, and then we decide to move, and then that walking animation is looped for how long the user wants to walk the character. When the user stops and we want the animation to transition back to idle, the idle loop has to be wait, actually let me check on one more thing. Does it have to be looped for it to go back here? No, it doesn't. Alright, so then I guess this is entirely different from the loop. So it's just allowing us to go back and forth between the animations, it seems like. Alright, cool. Let's see how he does. How he changes it. So he just deletes it. Is that really the only way? It doesn't seem that efficient. It doesn't seem that efficient. Because I can imagine if you had like so many animations and then, oh, I just want to change the first one. And then you click on it, delete, and then it points to the next one. And then you gotta delete that one, and then it points to the next one automatically. Oh. Hmm. Wait, what? Into that. So he clicked on the animator? What? Let me click this. Oh, you click on the actual. So you click on here and then it tells you transition, and then we can edit the, I guess, this transition here. So this represents transition, and he mentioned how this is more important with 3D animation when you want to move like multiple things, like lowering down the arm, the right arm, lowering down the left arm, or something like that. So yeah, I'm not sure if that's important for the game that we're making, but I guess it's good to note. Alright, let's go back. actually want to see the difference between that. Oh, we already we made it to 1 already. Wait, exit time. Does that have an exit time? Has exit time. Oh, we're here. So right now it looks like this. Let me zoom in. Let me just see that again. Alright, so now let's change it to 1. So you need to change the exit time. Not sure what that means, to be honest. Exit time and normalized time from current state. So is it the exit time of the animation to transition to the lizard walk animation? Did I do that right? Seems like it. Alright. Oh man. Alright, so I guess we have to figure it out. Like, not actually like do it, but like I guess start thinking about why that is. So our animation, is it, well actually, is it because we had it like one is automatically cut, like when we're doing the sprite sheet and we wanted to separate each sprite from the sprite sheet? Is it because the methods we used for both animations are different? Because for our walk we did it by doing the automatic option, but then for the jump animation we did it by grid by size, where we had to calculate the width and height of each sprite in our sprite sheet. That's one idea. If that's not it, then I do, because, well actually it might be it, because I'm guessing the anchor point is different when we depending on the way we cut the sprite from the sprite sheet. Like for the automatic one, for the automatic sprite cut, it makes the anchor point, I guess, adjusted to whatever, how the sprite is. Like it calculates the width and height of it and then finds the center of that width and height. But for our lizard jump, where each sprite is equivalent in both size and height, because we made it like that, the anchor point is very different from here. That's my only guess. Let me see if that's the answer. Nice. Alright, let's go ahead and do that. So what we have to do is go to our animation. Wait, we can't look at the sprite sheet. Or the sprite sheet. How do we check the sprite sheet? What? Properties. Lizard walk. Can we look at the sprite sheet? Unity model. What? What is this? What the heck is this? What the heck is this? What the? Sorry, I was saying too much. Alright, well, I don't know how that happened. How do we get the sprite sheet? If not, then it's probably just gonna have to do it again. Let me see how he did it actually. Oh yeah, so you had to do it again. Well, actually no. Is the lizard walk based on the animation that we created, or is it based on the instance that we created? What I mean by that is that, like, is it referencing this whenever it's running, or is it whenever we instantiate it at that moment? Also, we need to create folders just to make it a little bit better organized in use. Why is there a zucchini? Oh yeah, lizard attacking. Well, I'm just gonna keep it there. I feel like we're gonna have that. So then we have to look at here and just calculate it. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Calculator. So we have 753. He did the math, but I kind of forgot. Divide that by 3, we get 251. 251. 1116. Divided that by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 251 by 186. I don't know if that was the same as the other one. Alright, slice. You got sliced. They hit apply. And yeah, there you go. So it does seem like it gets updated. Let me test that out. So I'm not gonna create another instance of animation. Oh wow, so it's actually not instance, but rather it does connect to the sprite sheet. So if I were to delete one, it would affect the animation object itself. Oh wow, that's actually pretty interesting. I always thought it's the other way around. I thought we created an instance based off the animations that we highlighted. So that's not the case, I guess. Alright, cool. Well, it's almost about to be 30 minutes, and I don't know if I should actually. Oh yeah, let's do that too. Let's work on our animations, lizard jump, and then what the heck? Never seen this before. Well, no one ever mentions this. Like when I'm watching Unity videos, no one ever mentions this object. I guess I've only been watching like 2D stuff, but and now I'm looking at the back. Auto. So we can. Where's the sample? Ah man, it's been a while. Is it here? Add tab. It's inspector. Where is it? Oh, animation. My bad. Then we have to click on sample. So I can drop the object lizard. Play. Hit play. But what happened to the sprites? Let's make it faster. Oh wait, I wanted to see the sprites. Is it this one? Oh, that's keyframe. No, 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 no. No, no, no. No animation events. Oh, here's the sprite. There it is. I was like, wait a minute, where's the sprite? Ah, there it is. So let's go ahead and I guess play that. Yeah, that looks better. Alright, well, it's already 30 minutes. So I think I'm getting into here for now, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.